Hello and welcome to ChessBase Tips for Beginners, and today let's look at the quick access toolbars. Last time we learned how to add annotations to a game. We used symbols and text comments. We also saw different ways to do this, and one of them was the quick access toolbar, which is next to and below the annotation. Today we'll look at it in more detail and see what it can do. Let's start with variations. The command promote variation moves a selected variation one level up. It swaps it with the line above. This works at any level. For example, if we want to promote the variation with knight takes g6 to the main line, we click the first button in the lower toolbar. It looks like a green arrow pointing up. We can see that it has already moved one level up. To promote it further to the main line, we click this button again. Remember, you can always undo changes. Use the undo button or press Ctrl Z. There is also a useful option to hide all extra variations. You can find it in the right toolbar. It is the second icon from the top. It is called Fold All Variations in the game notation. The variations are not deleted, they are just hidden. This helps you focus on the main line. Of course, you can also delete variations quickly. To delete one variation, select it and click the second button in the lower toolbar. Be careful, all sub-variations inside it will also be deleted. There is also a stronger option. It deletes all variations and all comments in the game. You can find it in the right toolbar. It looks like an eraser. Now let's go back to the lower toolbar. The button with the square bracket icon stands for Delete Remaining Moves. All moves to the right of the selected move will be deleted, including all variations and sub-variations. The next two icons showing a black piece and a red piece. They allow us to add a text comment before or after the selected move, respectively. This is a very fast and convenient way to add comments. I think you will like the next button in the shape of a diagram. This function clearly makes our notation more visual and more colorful. By clicking it, a diagram with exactly this position will be inserted after the selected move. You may also notice a similar icon in the right toolbar, but there it is used to hide all diagrams. The same button also allows you to show the diagrams again. The next 16 symbols are quick access to evaluation signs that we talked about in the previous episode. The selected evaluation sign will be added after the selected move. Quick access to frequently used functions is always helpful as it saves time. Try using them and I'm sure you'll appreciate their usefulness.